Did you know that kitchen cabinets can accumulate a surprising amount of dirt and grime, sometimes up to 30% of their surface area within just a few weeks? This statistic might catch you off guard, but it highlights a crucial aspect of kitchen maintenance that often gets overlooked. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and keeping it clean is essential not only for aesthetic appeal, but also for hygiene. Dirty cabinets can harbor bacteria and allergens, which can compromise the health of your family. So, how do you tackle the daunting task of cleaning your kitchen cabinets the right way? When it comes to cleaning kitchen cabinets, many people face common challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is selecting the right cleaning products. With so many options available, it's easy to grab the first bottle that promises a sparkling finish, only to find out later that it has damaged the wood or left streaks behind. Additionally, improper techniques can lead to scratches or dull finishes, leaving cabinets looking worse than before. Understanding the material of your cabinets and employing the correct cleaning methods can make all the difference. To start your journey towards cleaner cabinets, it's essential to gather the right tools and products. First, you'll need a few basic supplies: a soft cloth or microfiber cloth, a gentle cleaner, a sponge, and a bucket of warm water. If your cabinets are particularly greasy, you might want to have a degreaser on hand. For wooden cabinets, a mixture of vinegar and water can be a great natural cleaner, while laminate or painted cabinets can benefit from a mild dish soap solution. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can strip the finish or discolor the surface. Once you have your supplies ready, it's time to dive into the cleaning process. The first step is to empty your cabinets. This not only allows you to clean every inch, but also gives you the opportunity to declutter. As you remove items, take a moment to evaluate what you really need. This can lead to a more organized and functional kitchen, making it easier to maintain cleanliness in the future. After clearing out the cabinets, inspect the surfaces for any sticky spots or stains. For sticky residues, a degreaser can be applied directly to the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the grime. When it's time to wipe it away, use a soft cloth to gently scrub the surface, being careful not to apply too much pressure. For wooden cabinets, always wipe in the direction of the grain to prevent scratches. Next, prepare your cleaning solution. If you're using the vinegar and water mix, combine equal parts of each in a spray bottle. For the soap solution, a few drops of dish soap in warm water will suffice. Spray or dampen your cloth with the solution and begin wiping down the cabinet doors, starting from the top and working your way down. This method prevents dirt from falling onto already cleaned areas. Pay special attention to the edges and corners, where grime tends to accumulate. For stubborn stains, you may need to let the cleaning solution sit for a few moments before wiping it away. If you encounter any particularly tough spots, a soft bristled toothbrush can help dislodge dirt without damaging the surface. After cleaning, it's important to rinse the cabinets with a cloth dampened in plain water to remove any residue from the cleaning solution. This step is crucial, as leftover cleaner can leave streaks or buildup over time. Once the doors are clean, don't forget about the cabinet interiors. Wipe down the shelves and walls using the same cleaning solution, and allow everything to dry completely before putting items back. This is a great opportunity to line your shelves with contact paper or shelf liners, which can make future cleanings even easier. Now, here's a key tip that can save you time and improve effectiveness. Consider using a mixture of baking soda and water for tougher stains. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can help lift grime without scratching surfaces. Just make a paste and apply it to the stain, letting it sit for a few minutes before wiping it away. This natural cleaner is not only effective, but also safe for most cabinet materials. After you've cleaned everything, take a moment to organize your kitchen items as you put them back into the cabinets. Group similar items together, and consider using clear bins or drawer organizers to keep things tidy. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your kitchen, but also makes it easier to find what you need, reducing the chances of clutter building up again. In conclusion, keeping your kitchen cabinets clean is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and inviting home. By understanding the right methods and using the appropriate tools, you can tackle this task effectively. Remember to choose gentle cleaners, follow proper techniques, and take the time to organize your space. Regular maintenance will not only preserve the beauty of your cabinets, but also contribute to a cleaner kitchen environment. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your supplies, and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Your kitchen will thank you for it.